Quantity Plans. This is Carmen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic dashboard happy planner that I use as my social media planner for the week of August 7th through the 13th. Now these dates are a little outdated, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and fix those in our plan with me today. And also I am going to be using stickers from Simply Sweetly Crafty. Ooh, this is just the little sticky note I put on there. So I'm going to be using stickers from the Simply Sweetly Crafty sticker kit. I had used this kit before, and these are some leftovers I had, and I thought it would work well in this spread. And then I also had some stickers left over from my Amber Plans Her Day Citrus sticker sheet, which I'll be using just the lemons and the limes from this sticker sheet. And then for additional functional boxes, I'll be using the Mojo Jojo Plans Summer Boxes sticker book. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing I wanna do is I do wanna fix those dates. They're not correct, and so I do need to change those out. And I don't have any stickers I can use on them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe them out and write them in with a pen. Get that out as well. All right, got that going. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a good week so far. I hope that you're happy and that you're healthy. I have been having a very stressful week, and I hope I'm wrong, but I think that from here on out, I am going to be kind of stressed out until we finally sell our current home and we move into our new one, just because moving is just pretty stressful. So I'm definitely starting to feel the, the stress that you feel when you're making a move. As a matter of fact, the stress has been so high this week that I didn't even get to have a planner video go out yesterday. Usually I have some plan with me starting to come out on Wednesdays, but it was just so hectic. As a matter of fact, this video should be going out on a Thursday, and it's not going to go out until Friday. So my days have just been really packed of things to do, and if I get too many things going on or have to do too many things that trigger my anxiety, it becomes even more tough. But anyway, trucking along, it's just, one day closer to moving into the new house. Okay, so we redated the right side, and now we're gonna go in and put in some headers for the left side here. So I'm going to use these really pretty sparkly headers that I had left over from Simply Sweetly Crafty. They're a little bit thicker than I usually use, but it'll work out. I like the sparkle. Also, work is also picking up for me too at my job. My boss is super awesome and super understanding and she knows that I'm going to be moving pretty soon. So she is going to give me some time to go ahead and, once the move starts, to kind of be away from work for a little bit. But because of that, we're trying to kind of get ahead at work so that she doesn't fall behind with her stuff. So just a lot of things going on. Okay, so I have this thick washi, and so what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it across the bottom here. I think it would be a great place for that. So yes, I hope you guys are staying happy and healthy, and that you're having a good week. Okay, I'm gonna cut that off with my ruler and my EK Tools retractable cutting knife. I love this thing. I love that I don't have to keep track of a top because I don't know what it is about tops, like in general, like pen tops, marker tops, whatever you name it. If it has a top, I don't know why I always lose them, but I do. So the fact that I have this where it just retracts, it's great. I love it. Okay, and then I'm seeing here what else I have. I have this sparkly green, so I'd like to use that as well. Let's see. Like, I've been using one of the planners that I didn't get to decorate for this week. Like, literally it's just black and white right now, and it's kind of driving me bonkers because I don't know if it's just me, but if my planner's not decorated, let me know if you feel the same way. But if your planner's not decorated, you're not so excited to go and look at it as if it were decorated. And so then, not that your to-dos don't get done, but it just makes them a lot harder to get done, if you know what I mean. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this other layer here. Ooh. Right in here. I think it's stuck to this part of the page. Okay. Now we're going to cut this. And then there we go. And I think that's what we're going to do for the left side for right now. I don't know if I'm going to have a lot of time to kind of make them as decorative as I'd like at the moment. So let me see. I'm looking at what other washi I have. I have this purple one, but I'm not introducing purple to the spread, so I don't want to put that in. Okay, I've got it. I'm going to use this one. And we're actually just gonna do the top just like this. And then, where did my ruler go? Cut that off right here. I think it's time for me to get a new blade on this because it's not as sharp as it used to be when I first got this. Okay, and then we're going to do the green. Okay, we're gonna do the green, and then we're gonna do this yellow that's left here as well. But we're gonna cut it a little shorter. Okay, so we're gonna go about here, I think. Ooh. All right. Turn this around. That looks good for right now. Then I'm going to bring in the functional boxes. Got lots of things going on, so we definitely don't want to forget about adding all those. So let me see, these are also functional boxes here, so I'm gonna move these over so I know I have those to work with as well. These other ones are more like page flags and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put this here and this one here. I'm not ready for those just yet. And I know Mondays and Tuesdays aren't my really busy days, so I'm definitely gonna just put one of these here. And then one of these over here. Now let's see. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, I didn't really do what I was supposed to do for social media that day because the day kind of escaped me. So we'll put here just kind of like maybe a reminder to really try to stay on task for next week or try to get ahead. And then let's see, now we can use these bigger ones that we'll need. Okay. We'll do here and here. And then this one can go over here on Friday. And then Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna try to put some shorts into my lineup for this week. So, and since I didn't, I'm gonna try to kind of catch up on Friday a little bit. Look into this look here. That's not really the green that I'm using, is it? Okay, so it's gonna be yellows that I'm gonna use just to kind of keep the colors I'm using together here. Do I have any more yellows? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do yellow header on the weekend, so those are what I need from there. Okay, and then I'm going to put one here and another one here, and those will be for my YouTube shorts that hopefully I'll have a chance to put together and get out on time. Okay, and then let me see what we can do for that. I'm looking at these here. I can put this green kind of washi to kind of break up all that yellow at the bottom. And it's that same green, so I think it'll work. So we'll do a green piece here. And then another green piece over here. How about that? Okay. And that looks good. And I'm gonna bring in then the lemons and the limes. And let's see here. Definitely want to use this lemon right here in the corner. And then maybe I can cut this one up, or one of these up. Yeah, one of these up into 4s. Not necessarily just have them as halves and wholes, but so do this, but then cut it again. And then I'll have a lemon, lime slice there. Oop. And then there's definitely more lemons than limes on the page, so maybe I do want to kind of like do this a little bit more, but maybe facing the opposite direction. Bring in the lemon here, then a lime slice over here. Have to put a lime over here somewhere, so this one's gonna go here, I think. Yeah. Let's see. The last two that I have here, I do something like that, and then have it here. Okay. There's something about this slice here that I don't like it being there like that. Maybe if I did it just like this, would I like it better? Let me see. Yeah, I think I like that better. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my stickers that go on the left-hand side here. Sorry for my squeaky chair. So I finally got my Instagram and YouTube stickers. I just don't know where I put them right now. Sorry, I'm a little scatterbrained. I'll get better, I promise. I'm just got lots of things on my mind. Okay, and then here I'm going to write YouTube and Instagram to put in my analytics. So we're going to do the IG on this side because I have more room here. And then we're going to do the YouTube analytics on the left right here. Okay. And these are from Steph's Design Space, and I'll be sure to go ahead and link those in the description. And then all we need to do is just write in YouTube. Sorry if my camera is a little shaky. And Instagram. Okay. All right, guys, and I think that is a wrap. And this spread is ready for me to go ahead and continue doing my social media planning so that I don't get behind on all things Ken 2D plans. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here and spending some time with me. I hope you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.